In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your pixel added to a funnel so you can track page views and conversions from your meta ads with confidence. Quick context before we begin. The Facebook or Meta Pixel is a small piece of code that helps you measure ad performance, optimize your campaigns, and retarget visitors. You'll want to have your pixel-based code ready from Meta Events Manager so you can paste it in when we get there. Start by going to your GoHighLevel account and signing in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Sites. This is where all your websites and funnels live. We're going to add the pixel to a specific funnel so it fires across that funnel's pages. Next, choose the funnel you want to track. If you have multiple funnels, pick the one that matches the campaign you're running ads to. Click on the funnel to open it. You'll land on the funnel overview where you can see all of its steps. Inside the funnel, head to the top menu and click Settings. This is where GoHighLevel lets you control funnel-wide options without editing each page individually. In the Settings sidebar, find the section labeled Tracking and Scripts. This is the dedicated place to add code that should load on every step in the funnel. Under Tracking and Scripts, locate the head tracking code area. This field injects scripts into the head tag of every funnel page, which is exactly where the Meta Pixel base code belongs. Open your Meta Events Manager in another tab. Copy the full Pixel base code and paste it into the head tracking code box here. Make sure you paste the entire script exactly as provided. Don't just paste the pixel ID, and avoid adding duplicate pixels if you've already installed one globally elsewhere. After pasting the code, save your changes. Saving ensures the pixel is applied across the funnel steps. If your funnel is already live, the update takes effect as soon as it's saved. If not, you'll be ready for accurate tracking the moment you publish. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you're running ads to multiple funnels, repeat the same process for each funnel you want to track. For advanced event tracking beyond the default page view, you can add event code where appropriate, but keep the base pixel in the head. Finally, confirm everything is working by loading a funnel page and checking with the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension to see that your page view event fires. That's it. Your Facebook Pixel is now installed in GoHighLevel for this funnel.